Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making strawberry chocolate custard. For this, here I have taken 1 packet of strawberry jelly crystals, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 heaped tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder, 1 cup of strawberries chopped like this, and 1 cup of milk. Now here I have taken this serving bowl, and first of all in this bowl I will add the berries. Bismillah. Now here in the pan I have added 1 cup of water. It is boiling. Now in the boiling water I will add the jelly crystals. Bismillah. And now I will cook this till all the crystals are dissolved. Now here I have cooked the jelly crystals for 5 minutes and see the crystals are dissolved. And now I will pour this jelly, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, this hot jelly over the berries. Bismillah. And now I will leave this to cool and set completely. Now here, meanwhile the jelly is cooling and setting, I have to prepare the custard. And for the custard, here in the milk I will add sugar, Bismillah, vanilla custard powder, Bismillah, and cocoa powder, Bismillah. Just mix them together. Now here I have mixed together cocoa powder, sugar, vanilla custard powder and milk together. And now I will cook this till this custard slightly thickens. Now here I have cooked this custard. See, this is slightly thickened. And now I will leave this custard to cool completely. Now here this jelly is cooled and set, and here this custard is also cooled. Now I will put this custard over the berries. Bismillah. Here, after adding the custard, I have drizzled chocolate sauce and sprinkled some chocolate vermicelli, but that is totally optional. And now this strawberry chocolate custard is ready to be served. Just chill this for few hours in the fridge and then serve. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.